What's up, guys? It's Justin with Mobility Auto Group. Let's go check out this car. This is a 2016 Toyota Sienna LE. This one was converted by Vantage Mobility in Phoenix, Arizona. It's got good tires on it. Beautiful blue color here. It's got the side steps here because the floor was lowered 14.9 inches. They had to raise up the suspension in order to accommodate for that. I noticed just very few little scrapes on the vehicle. And there's a couple dings on the other side I'll point out as well. Normal minimal wear for its year and age. Overall, the vehicle's in great shape and it was well maintained. Got a couple door dings here. Interior's in good shape as well. Power door on both sides. The other side, the door is actually integrated into the key fob with the ramp system. Get the lights on in there for you. So let's go check out the other side with that ramp. So again, it's integrated into the key fob for the conversion. So we just make sure the car is unlocked, and then we press and hold on that pictogram on the right side here. Press and hold for 3 seconds on the Toyota key fobs. That way you don't accidentally open up the door to deploy the ramp. In-floor ramp comes out. The van also kneels down as well. So you can turn the kneeling feature off, but it's really convenient to have for manual chair users. That way it reduces the ramp angle there. You do have the Sure Deploy battery system for the in-floor ramp systems. Use an auxiliary battery in the back in case the car's battery is dead and you need to get out. We do have a manual crank handle as well that pops out of that door panel, and then you can crank the motor right there. So you have 2 backup methods for the in-floor systems. This is a 2016 Toyota, so Toyota redesigned all this interior dash paneling and everything in 2015. So this is the same style you will see all the way up into a 2020. Everything works very well. Car starts up and drives. You've got 3-zone climate control. You can set temperature for rear, driver, passenger, and driver. Got the auto dimming mirror with compass and home link for your garage door buttons. Power doors on either side. This LE does not come with a power tailgate. Got the owner's manuals here. So, good vehicle in great condition overall. Thanks so much for watching. Come check us out real soon. mobilityauto.com.